How to add halftone effect in Picsart. Want your image to have a cool comic book feel? Here's how to add a halftone effect in Picsart. First, open your photo and go to the effects section. Look for halftone under artistic or creative effect. Once applied, adjust the dot size, spacing, and opacity until it matches your style. You can also layer it over specific areas by using the eraser to refine it. Once you're happy, click apply and save your pop art inspired creation. Have you tried halftone or portraits or posters yet? Let me know in the comments below. Pair halftone with bright, contrasting colors to really sell the retro comic vibe. And that's how you can add halftone effect in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.